Interior design is a professionally conducted, practice based process of planning and realization of interior spaces and the elements within. Interior design is dash to the function and operation of the aesthetics. Aesthetics. What does it mean? Aesthetics mean beauty, related to beauty. अब इंटीरियर डिजाइन इज डैश टू द फंक्शन ऑफ, इसकी ऑप्शंस हैं रिलेटेड, कंपेयर्ड, कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड एंड कॉरस्पॉन्ड. इंटीरियर डिजाइन इज रिलेटेड टू द function and operation of the aesthetics, that is beauty. It means interior design is connected, compared to, comparison kahin nahi ho raha. Concentrated means focused to the function, no. Corresponded means match, तो इसमें related to the function and operation of the aesthetics and its dash and its capability, environment, sustainability, deniability. Capability इंटीरियर डिजाइन की नहीं हो सकती, एनवायरमेंट इंटीरियर डिजाइन का नहीं. सस्टेनेबिलिटी अगर हम देखें, सस्टेनेबिलिटी मीन्स ड्यूरेबिलिटी. I'll go for this option, sustainability. Work of an interior designer draws upon. Draws upon means depends upon. Interior designer का काम depends upon many. अब many के कारण हमें क्लियर हो गया कि हमारा आंसर प्लूरल होना चाहिए. ऑप्शंस देखते हैं. ऑप्शंस में 3 ऑप्शंस खुली हुई हैं, इसको छोड़कर कोर्स ये चले गई बाहर. Many other disciplines, principles, functions. Work of an interior designer depends upon principles, functions such as environmental psychology, architecture, product. तो ये सब क्या है? Disciplines है, principles नहीं है, beliefs नहीं है, functions mean role, तो role भी नहीं है. ये disciplines बता रहे means domains या fields. इन सब domains या fields पर एक interior designer का काम depend करता है. तो चेक करते हैं. The general perception is that children are dashed by a variety of musical experiences. There are often fewer and fewer opportunities for children to actively engage in music making themselves. The general perception is that children are dashed by a variety of musical experiences. Surrounded, deterred means stopped. Deferred means किसी चीज को आगे करना. Characterized means किसी चीज की पहचान. Children are surrounded by, मतलब उनके आसपास बहुत तरह की म्यूजिकल एक्सपीरियंसेस होते हैं. There are often fewer and fewer opportunities for children to actively engage in music making themselves. बहुत कम opportunities है कि जिससे वो खुद म्यूजिक बनाए. They are inundated with music emitting from a wide, inundated means flooded, बहुत ज़्यादा options हैं उनके पास, बहुत ज़्यादा options हैं. With music emitting means coming from a wide dash of electronic devices. Wide array, ये बहुत common collocation है. Array means range, wide range. इसमें हमें बाकी options देखने की भी जरूरत नहीं पड़ी. Electronic devices, toys and computers offering a dash number of musical selections. Offering a dash number. अब यहाँ पर है wide array of electronic devices and computers offering a dash number of musical selections. इस wide से हमें अगला आंसर मिल जाएगा. Computers offering a wide and computers offering a limitless. क्यों? Because यहाँ था wide array of electronic. और जो electronic devices है तो limitless means जिसकी कोई limit नहीं है. Plunging नहीं, plunging means coming down, excessive बहुत ज़्यादा. Spacious जिसके पास जगह ज़्यादा, like we can say this is a spacious hall, spacious room. तो ये limitless because of wide array. बहुत ज़्यादा electronic devices हैं तो limitless number of musical selections हैं. However, much of the music in children's lives is unchosen. In other words, they are. Much of the music in the children's lives is unchosen. वो खुद choose नहीं करते. In other words, they are dash recipients in much of the music. इस unchosen word से हमें अगला आंसर भी मिल जाएगा. In other words, they are dash recipients in much of the music. They are पैसिव। पैसिव मीन्स जो काम हम नहीं कर रहे, कोई हमारे लिए कर रहा है या वो काम हो रहा है, तो दे आर पैसिव। बिकॉज जब हम खुद करते हैं तो हम कहते हैं हमने खुद किया। एक्टिव, तो दिस इज दे आर पैसिव रेसिपिएंट्स, बिकॉज वो खुद नहीं चूज कर रहे, कोई उनके लिए चूज कर रहे हैं। They experience background music in computer games, cartoons, TV shows, films, or on iPads, radios, and ringtones. They listen to music choices of their parents or siblings, and even the schools they attend often play music before the school day begins or in classrooms. While students are working, studies are being dashed on the effects of the ubiquitous. What is ubiquitous? Ubiquitous means something that is present everywhere, both easily, commonly available. The studies are being dashed on the effects of the ubiquitous. Studies are being conducted because culminated होता है किसी चीज को एंड करना, abandon होता है किसी चीज को छोड़ देना। तो यहाँ पर studies are being conducted, और ये बहुत commonly used collocation है, studies are being conducted या they were conducting studies. Music they encounter and whether or not it dash on their desire to make their own music. It can have intruded, would have intruded, could have. It is intruding on their desire to make their own music or interact with each other on the playground. So we've got all correct.